I love the fact of the sense of feeling like you're in a family. This is definitely a family atmosphere for the ones who would want to work here. It's definitely a family atmosphere for all of the students that come here. They're like our kids. We know the parents, we talk to them, you know, they're in contact with us all the time. We're not just part of the school community, but we're part of the bigger part of their community.
I feel that middle school is the age where students are learning themselves. They are about to go out into the high school world. 8th grade, we have to prepare them. We have to get them ready and remind them to be themselves and to always be positive individuals.
I'll be going to Clara Barton High School, and I'll be going there because they have a great healthcare program that I would like to be in.
Everything that these children have, they don't have until you expose them to it. The main goal of the hydroponics system is to show kids you can grow your own food in an inner city setting. The students with special services that they need for their educational goals, this program fits the mold because there's a lot of kids that need that tactile, they need that visual, they need a lot of drawing.
Principal Joseph, she has targeted the students by making sure that every teacher gets professional development to work with the students, and especially with my population, which is a diverse population, special education.
We have such a strong culture at PS 181 where the students are so proud of where they come from. They're so proud of their heritage and their culture.
Our admin team, our leaders of the school, they're really good at, meeting the needs of the families, the community, the staff, the kids here. I feel like when you send your kids here, you kind of don't have any worries. You have a team that is going to rally around your kid and make sure that they're well taken care of and supported and, reaching the goals that they should be reaching.
As long as they trust us with their kids, their future is bright.